Hi Meenakshi.
Hi Tanas.
Welcome to my home.
Very happy to be here.
I'm so happy that you came at just the right time to do the Meenakshification.
Yay!
I'm super excited.
So this is my compass and I'm just putting it here to know the basic directions of your house and to
Okay.
see what your main door is bringing to you.
Okay.
As I can see that you have put the picture of your marriage picture
Yes.
just in the right place.
Okay.
You're ready with your notepad?
I'm always ready.
Okay.
Hmm.
This bamboo has become very mature.
Okay.
As we can see, it's
Ah.
become brown.
Oh.
So and a bit rotten.
Okay.
So it is obstructing your career now.
Oh.
Yeah. And it has done what it had to do.
Oh really?
So you must have had good growth after you put it.
Yes.
But it's time to get rid of this one and get in fresh growth in your career,
Okay.
which is what you wanted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can really feel the acting energy in this house
Yes.
and also a little bit of very much serenity and calmness.
Yes.
You know, the way that you want to heal people. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Because I'm
So-
always playing the mantras.
I can really feel that this is an actor's home.
Really?
Yes, just your little artifacts, the way you have done it.
Yeah.
I can really feel the energy and the peace and the well-being. You have your mantras playing.
Yes,
all the
every
time.
morning I put on my mantras. I clean the house with agarbatti, the nice smells, and then I also do my puja in the morning and I ring the bell. So there's a lot of sound healing,
Yes, yes.
smell healing,
And that
everything.
is why you are getting into the space of making others feel better,
Yes.
bringing their energy up. That is such an important space to be in.
Yeah, it is, and I'm really enjoying that journey as well.
Yeah, and the people who will be healed by you and who will connect with you in this time, how lucky they will be.
Thank you.
Oh, what's that over there?
That's
that
my
baby
hand and foot, yeah, which I had done myself, but years ago.
But please stick it up. I don't know which child of yours, but you know it can lead to some injury.
Yeah, you're right, because my daughter did have her elbow fractured.
Yes, and that's the hand that has fallen
Yes,
off over
yes,
there.
yes, yes.
It's always
you're right.
nice to make these mementos, but it's also important
To maintain it.
them.
Yeah,
Yes.
you're right. No, I have
Yes.
slipped up. I have to stick it
Yes,
back up.
yes. Now we were talking about your name and fame and your career to grow.
Yes.
So all of these,
Yeah.
your awards,
Yes.
I would put over there.
Okay.
Okay, that is the right place for you to get the name and fame from them.
Okay.
Okay. And now, you know, we were also talking about building legacies
Okay.
and growth
Huh.
and growing your money.
Yes.
This is the east direction
Yes.
and it is very well placed in your house.
Okay.
There are few dead plants though,
Yes.
so I would get rid of the dead plants ASAP.
This particular plant was
Hmm.
absolutely thriving, and he was in the house. And I said, okay, you need to grow more. So I put him outside, and he died.
Might be an indoor shade plant.
God knows. See, I put him out, he died.
So do not displace your plants.
Yeah, and you know, this one was also growing very well.
Huh.
All of them, and suddenly just this week they've started dying. I mean, like becoming brown, I swear.
They're all trying to tell me
Yeah.
that you need new plants.
Okay, done.
That's the story.
done. Okay, that's a story.
So this is the center of your house.
Okay.
What in Vastu we say the Brahmastan.
Yeah.
Also this is the pulse. You know, this is the pulse.
Okay.
We never put anything heavy over here. I know that these elephants are very, very tiny.
Oh.
But you know, nowadays everyone is selling and recommending hundreds of Vastu cures
Okay.
which are very, very detrimental. They are doing more harm than good. An elephant is so huge and bulky.
Yeah.
He is representing a lot of weight. You need to remove this like right now.
ASAP.
You know, I am sure since you have put these in,
Yeah, things
You-
have become
yes,
very heavy.
yes.
Yeah.
You feel like
I
all the
feel
time you're
all the
moving
time-
with the weight.
Yeah, I'm feeling
Things
like
are not working
yeah.
out. You know, if you're doing something, you're just there.
Yeah.
You need that yes after an audition. You need that sign on that contract, and it just pauses there. And this is one of those switchword stones for money,
Mhm.
but it is chipped. You
Yeah,
need
she
to
just
bow
broke
it.
Okay. She
So
just broke
sometimes
it.
when you want to put things like this,
Huh?
it's a good idea to put like a little glue drop and put it so that our staff cannot chip it or break it.
Oh.
But it is also, things in your house, as you said, the plant died.
yeah.
They are telling me where I need to pay attention. This is how a house talks to me.
Oh.
So maybe this thing said, okay, I'll be chipped over here, then she will look at me.
Yeah.
And then she will see the elephants. So Tanaz, your kitchen, the colors are very pleasant. Green is
Okay.
always a good color. These little leaves
Yeah.
up over here. The sink is in the right place. The mandir is in the northeast where traditionally we want it. I love your dancing Ganesha in the mandir.
Yes.
But two things you need to do.
Okay.
The dustbin is in the wrong direction, in the wrong space over here,
Okay.
and it should never be kept open anyways.
oh.
So you need to take it and put it in the cupboard under the sink.
yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you don't need two dustbins, maybe you can get one
Okay.
with the dry and,
wet. Yeah.
separations,
Okay.
and you can put it over here.
Okay.
But that is definitely not the place. Or dustbins.
okay.
This is a very sacred space.
Hmm.
Maybe you can store your extra boxes of grain over here.
Oh.
The rice, the things like that,
Okay.
which bring abundance.
Okay.
So change the symbology over here to change your life.
Ah.
Take away these cleaning things, put them away in some cupboard.
Okay.
Maybe put your big box of atta, of rice, extra groceries, maybe a larder over there.
Okay. So I can make a small little,
Yeah.
place where I can store the extra
Yes,
things.
yes,
The happy
yes.
food.
The happy food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
The food that nourishes
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now also what I don't like is the gas next to the sink.
Oh my God. Yes.
Okay. This can be quite inauspicious, not the best of placements. Ideally, I would like you to move the gas on this side.
Okay.
But since in Bombay flats we cannot,
Yeah.
what we are going to do
Huh.
is that we try to use the oven and microwave
Okay.
at least once in every meal time. So that is my
Ah.
remedy.
Okay.
Other thing is you are going to get a dhakkan for this gas.
Okay.
Okay, a
Yeah.
dhakkan, a steel dhakkan, like same as the gas.
Yeah.
So whenever the gas is not being used,
Yeah.
you are going to put it over that.
All right. Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
and in between the gas and the sink,
Yes.
you already have a green spoon stand.
Yes.
I was going to recommend something green, but I just saw this.
Yes.
So this is just perfect.
Oh, superb.
So it breaks the energy which is clashing, and we will put a lid on this gas whenever you're not using it.
Perfect. I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, I think you're good.
Okay.
It looks like a nice, happy family kitchen.
Yeah.
Lots of
because-
good food being cooked.
Yes, lots of serving. We're going to do some, and you're going to eat some of it as well.
Oh no, Tanaz,
Yeah.
this is an area meant to be light. You cannot put these heavy weights. You are obstructing your own career. I can't even lift it up.
Hey Bhagwan, what am I doing? What
Oh,
am I doing?
And your Buddha,
I was like strangulated.
yes, he's been strangulated. And your Bai,
Pocha, she's become free for all. Let me use anything.
this is like your wealth direction.
No, this definitely has to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can have your Buddha here,
Yeah.
no weights here,
Yeah.
no pocha here, no
Okay.
jharu here.
Done.
Okay.
Done. Yes.
Even if you can't beautify it a lot,
Yeah.
just keep it nice.
Yeah.
Just keep it clean.
Yes. I'm
And
written
any
it down.
weights of yours
Okay.
will have to be stored in the opposite side of the house.
Okay.
Nothing in this area, or maybe in the passage outside.
Yeah.
You're so lucky to have this beautiful terrace in Bombay.
Thank you. And the most important room of the entire house is my children's room. How do we Meenakshify this room so they can study better, so they have more focus, and so that they listen to mummy?
That is
Off any record.
off any records, but yes, of course, to study better.
Yeah.
Children's room is very important. Currently, I am doing actually a Feng Shui Friday series,
Oh.
which on my Insta,
Huh.
which is about children's room for different ages.
Okay.
What I would say is that they have a nice room.
Okay.
They have it in a good corner of the house.
Okay.
Only that the direction in which it is in the northwest, your children are the little bosses of the house.
Yeah. You're
Yeah.
right. They actually boss over me. First, my mom used to boss over me. Now they boss over me.
So what we have to do over here
Huh.
is to give them that little focus, for their lovely, exuberant energy, put up some things of their grown-up state. I can see that you have put a lot of stuffed toys.
Yeah, that's
And,
all Zara.
They are like behaving like Tom and Jerry, probably, because
Yes.
of what you have over there. But now we need to bring them up to date.
Okay.
They are all grown up.
Hmm.
They are ready to take their place in the world. They are in high school or they are
Yes.
in university.
Yes.
So maybe you need to change over some of the decorations in the room, more age appropriate and more future appropriate. What are their aims? What are their goals? Maybe
Yeah.
a vision board, their favorite football hero, or in their career path, what it is they aim to be.
Yeah, like
something like that.
filmmaking,
Yes.
acting. That's what they want
Yes,
to
so
do.
maybe just change the theme, get rid of the kiddie bed covers.
yeah.
You have to let go of their childhood and put their adulthood up over here.
Okay.
And this is what feng shui is all about. This is what Minakshification is all about.
Moving with the time also.
Moving with the time, because your energy can hold you back, or your energy can give you that springboard to move into the new chapter, in the next chapter of your
That
life.
is so interesting. So if I get rid of these cartoon ones,
Hmm.
then what colors should I play for in their room?
So in their room, I think you go in for their favorite colors.
Okay.
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 Traditionally, we say no blacks, no reds, no extreme colors.
Yeah.
The children all like,
Yeah.
but still you ask them their favorite colors.
Okay.
Go in for that. Put in some things or a poster or a picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or their accomplishment or
Yeah.
something. I can see. They have a lot of awards.
Yeah. Yeah.
But like just things like that, which are
Okay.
leading them to their future. A university they wish to go to.
Hmm.
Something about that. A pin board with a vision board.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I should put that up. That's so good. So relevant.
Movie making and acting, then maybe just something.
Yeah.
with
Posters
that.
about great directors.
Yes.
Actors. Yeah.
yes.
Whoever their favorite one.
Just give that focus. It's all right if your child is creative. You don't only need to push them academically, but you need to make sure that they work towards their goals and dreams.
Sure.
So,
Absolutely. Yeah.
Tanas,
Thank you.
that's your final Minakshification.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And I look forward to seeing your house again and your
Yes.
life again
Absolutely.
in a few months' time after it's all done.